Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! Our yummy easy recipe for today is a native delicacy popularized in northern part of the Philippines. This is tupig, by the root word tupi or to fold. Other name is intemtem or grilled cook. For the ingredients, dark brown sugar, evaporated milk, coconut milk, melted butter, salt, glutinous rice flour, coconut sports string with syrup or makapuno, and another melted butter for greasing. Banana leaves cut, heated to be pliable and clean. For the flavors, small cube cheese and shredded jackfruit. Let's start by combining the brown sugar and coconut milk in a bowl and dissolve the sugar. Put the salt to the bowl of the glutinous rice flour and stir to combine. Add the evaporated milk to the brown sugar and coconut milk mixtures. Stir to combine. Then gradually add the salt and glutinous rice flour mixtures. Mix well to incorporate all the mixtures. I already put in a bowl the melted margarine and whisk with all the ingredients. Then add the shredded jackfruit and coconut string or makapuno. Then mix well to combine. This will be the right consistency. Get 1 piece of the prepared banana leaves. Twist the leaves with the melted margarine and scoop 2 tablespoons of the mixtures. Arrange, then wrap and fold the banana leaves. Loosen up a bit the wrap to give space on the expansions of the mixtures when it's cooked. And it's done. Do this with all the mixtures. of Langka tupig in this recipe. Preheat the grill pan before putting the Langka tupig wraps, seams side down. The procedure of making the jackfruit tupig or Langka tupig and cheese tupig is the same. The only difference is the flavors. I made 16 pieces of cheese tupig. Some cheese tupig I pan grill. Others I cook in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes each side. Watch carefully the tupig, turning each side most of the time to cook evenly. Tastes good. Hello, Kayami.
Sophie wants to know.
Hello.
This is our son.
Yes.
Very chewy. Wait, Sophie.
Good. Good. Try it. Try it, guys. It's really good. You don't need to go to Pangasinan. Where you are, you can make this as long as you have glutinous rice flour.
I'm gonna give another piece to our son, Sophie.
By the way, the reason why I put evaporated milk because I use only the coconut milk. But if you have that
So good.
kakangata or the first extract,
Wait, Josie.
no more evaporated milk. It's already creamy. But here in US, I cannot find any fresh
See it?
coconut. Not good. That's why I'm using evaporated milk.
Last piece going to Susie. Susie? See it? There we go.
And by the way, my shout out, just wait on Wednesday, okay? Just watch out on my beef adobo.
Yeah.
My beef adobo is really good.
I want to try some of that beef.
You want to say something? By the way, shout out to those people in Pangasinan. Anda! Hello! Hello, Ate Angkay Lita. She's the one who taught me how to make this Tupig, but just a classic. Cause you know, the foodie like me, I always want more flavorful than innovation. I add the flavor.
I like it.
By the way, next time I'm gonna make ube tupig. But of course, I need to make first halaya. Okay?
What is halaya?
Halaya is a purple yam.